Why are we about to eat it?
What up, YouTube? It's your girl Tori. I'm back with another video. How y'all day going? I hope y'all day going great, because mine is. So what we got going on today is I'm doing a spaghetti mukbang with the garlic bread. But guess what? Who made this food? My wife made this food. She put her foot in there. It's got cheese sprinkled all on it with the meatballs. And I got some Texas toast right there for y'all, so y'all can see me smash on some. And guess what? I can't leave this out. I got the apple juice. I gotta make sure the apple juice good. So let me see. Very good. I wish I had ice, but I don't. But guess what? Let's get into this prayer, and then we're gonna get on with our day. Amen. So what's up? What y'all been doing? I hope y'all day, like seriously, I hope everybody have a blessed day today. Oh my God, look at this spaghetti. You see that steam? Man. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. I need this. This works better, because I can grip everything. The cheese going on into it. Man. Seriously. This is so right here though. Okay, that's enough. I ain't gonna do too much of it. Okay, pull this over here. Put this over here. Alright. My little garlic bread. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Look at this, look at this. Look. I gotta take the first one. I got to. Look at that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. All right, let's eat, y'all. She put this in the oven. Wow, look at that. She got bell pepper in it. I'm not over exaggerating. I love me some spaghetti with the bell pepper in there. Lord. I ain't eating on all day just for this. I promise. This is very good. You'd be speechless, for real, for real. Eating stuff that you really like. For real, man. Me and my wife was watching this movie yesterday called Stolen by My Mother. It's a movie about this woman wanted the baby so bad that she went to a hospital and stole somebody's baby. Now, who baby she stole, the girl was young. She was 15 at the time, so she stole her from her. I thought it was a really good movie, but I felt like it wasn't fair. Like, it was fair, but it wasn't fair. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all what it's about. Okay. This woman who stole the baby was pregnant. Her boyfriend was beating her up and she was getting abused by her boyfriend. She had a miscarriage. Reminder, she already had 2 older sons who got taken, you know, from her. I don't know why they got taken, but she treated this girl right. Like, she stole the little girl from the hospital. She was a newborn. She was only hours old. She was portraying herself to be a nurse. And then she went in there asking the little girl, like, can I help? Like, basically, can I help you? And the girl was like, yeah, because she thought she was a nurse. She was dressed up like a nurse and everything. Remember, she went out of town. The woman, excuse me, drove to Florida just to steal this baby. And then she stole the baby, blah, blah. Next thing you know, now remind you, she stole the baby. I know that's wrong. But when the girl grew up, they found out that that wasn't her daughter when the girl was 18. She was grown. She had her own mind. You know, but at the same time, the girl was well taken care of. I understand people get kidnapped. Sometimes people don't make it out of it. You know, people die, somebody kill them. But this particular time, the girl was healthy. The little girl was healthy. She grew up, you know, and the woman told her, like, I'm not your mother. Because she wanted to work. The little girl wanted to work. She was like, I'm not your mother. That's why you can't work. The girl was okay with it. Next thing you know, word got out to the little girl original mama saying that her baby was stolen. 18 years later, they found out, took the woman to jail. What I didn't like about the jail, they gave that woman life. So basically, they gave her 18 years and plus 5 years. That's basically life, like, for real. Like, ain't no coming back from that, period. Like, and then the woman was 52, 51 years old. Yeah, it wasn't no coming back from that. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I didn't like. I understand she did the crime. Yeah, she did the crime, but she did some crazy stuff. But at the end of the day, the woman healthy. The little girl was healthy. She was grown. And they gave the woman all this time in prison. Yeah, consequences for everything. They could at least gave her 5 years, 6 years, even 10 years. You know what I mean? Just to learn her lesson. But the little girl was so hurt by it because she like, that been my mama since I've been on this earth. Like, that's all she know. You know, she didn't know she was stolen at the time. She thought that was really her mother. But it really wasn't. But I think it was sad because at the end of the day, everybody lost. The little girl lost because she didn't have her real mother in her life. The real mother was lost because she thought her baby was dead. 18 years. And the sweetest thing that I like about the movie, that the real mother was keeping a piece of cake all the way until she found her daughter. And then the girl, she was like, I want to be in both of my family life. My mother who stole me life and my real mother life. So she got two families, a huge family now, and that's what's up. That's what I like about it. But I understand justice got to be served for real. And the little girl still go see her and everything, but justice got to be served. Period. Man, this food is the best. I promise. Ooh. Just getting a little more. And it still got steam in it. Steam good. Thinking about it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to wrap this video up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell so you can get notifications every time I post. This food's too good. But have a great day. Peace and love. Deuces.